Today is a bit of a cloudy day. It's very UK today. It's very like cloudy, a little bit gloomy. But we're feeling it. We're feeling it because it's nice, cozy vibes. You know, it's like end of September. We're kind of getting into those colder months. So I'm not feeling too bad about it. I feel like it's quite cozy. It's one of those days that you just want to light a candle. Sorry, I thought my microphone wasn't working there, but it's working perfectly well. Hi, my kitty. Pomelo this morning has been super affectionate. She just wants cuddles and to be petted, and so that's what we're doing. We're just giving her lots and lots of love. Today I have a little bit of a mission. I want to organize my drawers because I feel like I have a lot of clothes there that I just don't use anymore, like it's just there. And I think I'm either going to give them to charity or put them up on Vinted. And so that's the plan for today, to just kind of like gather the clothes, try them on, see if I like them, see if I can like, if I feel like they can fit into my style, because my style is evolving, it's changing. And there's a lot of things that I used to wear that I just don't wear anymore. And also just to re-familiarize myself with clothes that I have, because when you don't see a lot of your clothes, you're just like wearing the same thing over and over again. Does that happen to anybody else as well? I don't know. I feel like I'm just wearing the same thing over and over again. And I'm just like, I want to see what else I have in my closet, because I know I have a lot of clothes. That's why I don't have a lot of space to put my new clothes. So yeah, we're going to make some space for new clothes that I've got recently, and then later on we're gonna pop into town because I have to post a Vinted parcel that I sold last night. And yeah, so the day's going to be quite chill. We're just doing a lot of chill things, so come and enjoy the chill day with me. I'm trying to test out this mic. It's from Joby. I got it gifted and I'm just wondering, is it working? Okay, so let's have a little look of what I have in this first drawer. I think I should just take out, oh my god, am I taking out everything? Taking out everything. Oh, I can already see some stuff here that I won't use. Oh my god, I can't believe all of this fit in that one tiny drawer. Let's see, this already I can see that I don't wear. It's this tiny crop top. I don't even think it fits me anymore. So that goes into the no pile. This I've been wearing these days, so I would keep this in a yes pile. What's this? Oh, I totally forgot I had this. See, this is what I mean about like not knowing what you had. I actually bought this at Urban Outfitters and I thought it was very cute. and I just haven't worn it, and maybe I can wear it now still. This is super cute. Okay, let's put this in a yes pile. What's this? This is a tank top from Karl Lagerfeld. This is a yes. I've used this. I haven't actually used it that much this summer. This I wore the other day. This kind of like Zara knit. It has like a crisscross at the top here and then a little crisscross at the bottom here. It's kind of cute. So we're going to say yes. This, I remember buying it off Vinted, and I'm not going to say the brand name because it's a terrible brand, but it's just, I don't like how it looks like on my body. So the answer is no. Vinted as well. I just haven't been wearing it, so I'm going to pop that in the no pile. Oh, this top. I made this top. It's just not my style anymore. I used to wear it in the summer, but it's just not my style anymore. So this is actually just going to go in the no pile. What's this? Oh, this cute little crop top. I used to wear this all last summer. I didn't wear it this summer. I guess I just couldn't find it. This second drawer holds a lot of things that I'm sure I don't even use. Lunchtime now. It's literally 12, so I'm going to make myself a nice simple tomato pasta with some parmigiano on top. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm really happy with how much I've separated to give to charity, and like now I have so much space in my closet for like new clothes. So it's like getting out with all the old energy, the old kind of vibes, and like bringing in new energy and new things. So I'm quite excited. I'm now going to record a TikTok/reel of maybe me doing my hair, probably doing my makeup, and so you'll probably see that on social media. Just going to see what I have and see what I want to do. Usually when I'm just creating, I just kind of feel what I want to like style my hair on that day, and I think I'm gonna do it in like, I'm gonna part it in the middle, and I think I'm gonna do like a few pins. Hello, I am done recording, and as you see I have makeup on. I did like a makeup for brown eyes, and then I did a hairstyle. It's just like some hair clips, so looks kind of cute, and I think I'm gonna go out like this. So now I just need to maybe put on a hoodie because it's quite cold, and change my, you can't see, but my home pants, and then we shall finally go. Okay guys, so we have reached the end of the vlog. I hope that you enjoyed this very kind of short spending the day with me ish kind of video where like I show you guys what I was clearing out of my closet, kind of making new room for the new things. Hello to the new people that are on this channel. My name is Ribeiro, and I've been vlogging my life for the past 10 years, and yeah, it's just been really cool to be able to kind of document my new chapters and how everything is going for me so far. I'm very happy. I'm like finding myself finally in like living in London and finally feeling like I belong here. For context, for those who are new, I used to live in Japan for a very, very, very long time, and it's been about 2 years now that I've been back in the UK. So, and I've just been like loving it, like kind of, you know, there has been some struggles, not only with day-to-day stuff, but like with mental health, and those are topics that I hope to go into. What's that? Oh, it's my cat playing. Those are topics that I hope to go into in the future, like chatting with you guys, getting to know you guys getting to know more about me. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.